Good morning, students. So today's topic is the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland is nothing but it is the one of the endocrine gland. So which is present in the body near the neck, either side of the larynx and the trachea. So in our body, one pair of the thyroid gland present. So thyroid gland mainly consists of the cells. So that cells are known as the follicles. So from these follicles, thyroid gland produces the two hormones T3 and T4. T3 is also known as the triiodothyroid. T4 is also known as the tetraiodothyroid. So T4 is also known as the thyroxine. So this is about the thyroid gland. So now we will discuss about the functions of the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland regulate the body temperature. So which also regulate the basal metabolic rate. So basal metabolic rate is nothing but the utilization of the energy for the purpose of the digestion, circulation and respiration. So thyroid gland is also useful for the regulation of proper functioning of the carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. So this. Next, thyroid gland is also useful for the regulation of the body temperature. So when the thyroid gland regulates the body temperature, so when our body utilize the more oxygen and ATP, on that time it produces the more temperature. So on that time thyroid gland activated and regulate the body temperature. So another important thyroid gland produce hormone is the thyrocalcitonin. So thyrocalcitonin is produced from the thyroid gland, so which is useful for the reabsorption of the water and electrons from the nephric tubules. So these are the main functions of the thyroid gland.